roof can go down, it just involves a pry bar and swearing. This fell off, but that's fine.
Is the Tigra anything like that?
No, end of story. Tigra! Hello, Luke. Look at it. Oh my God, is that the bit hanging off? A bit ropey, isn't it? He knows its best angle. Doesn't overheat then.
No, everything works. Well, I say everything works. Mostly everything works.
You say the aircon works?
Aircon's ice cold.
Amazing, because if the roof don't go down, you want the aircon working,
It's
don't
a
you?
free air conditioning unit, and
Yeah,
nothing more.
exactly. Yes,
It's good for nothing else.
it's a fridge. How rusty has it got down here? I mean, what's happened here? There's water getting in somehow.
That's just the seat.
Yeah, it's just the seat
seat's
runner,
gone
isn't
rusty.
it? Yeah.
The seat's got rot. Where I imagine, because it's a Vauxhall Tigra, water has spent its entire life getting in.
What are you thinking, first impressions? Well, that's honest.
First impressions, it's just as rubbish as I said it was.
Yeah.
At least people can't claim I've oversold it. This is my motor trade companion, so this comes everywhere with me and contains a tyre pump, which I've stolen off my dad because my tyre pump's been stolen off me. Jubilee clips, spare bulb, precision screwdriver kit, longest and largest jump leads known to man, an OBD reader, can of Monster Energy, a tow rope, glass cleaner, a microfiber cloth, a tyre repair kit, an FM receiver, a multi-tool screwdriver, bigger Jubilee clips, more spare bulbs, and a receipt for fuel that I need to do my expenses. So it's got everything that the modern motor trader would ever need. Somehow it eventually got through an MOT as well, so...
How much did you have to pay him?
£45.
£45?
Yeah,
Wow.
I don't pay £54.85.
No, you paid your trade, perfect.
I refused to pay full rate. But
So-
it just took some attempts.
So this has got worse since I saw it on the TV because there was a button.
That fell out this morning between me collecting it from my grandparents, where they've had to be
Looking after
dealing
it.
with looking at it for the last few weeks. But it's fine because I fixed it.
What, you pull it?
No,
It's fine because I fixed it.
not quite. Where the button has fallen out,
Yeah.
that's the plug that went into it.
Yeah.
Pull this out,
Short the two.
short two, like so, he says, and hold them.
Right.
And then the boot will open.
And then the boot opens. Jesus Christ.
In the words of Partridge, nice action.
And then
Right.
the boot.
And this is the boot.
This is the boot, all accessible. The roof can go down, it just involves a pry bar and swearing.
That comes with it, does it, the pry bar?
The pry bar, that's my pry bar, so
Right.
that's here to demonstrate. You basically just have to knock these two
Those latches.
latches out,
Right.
and then the boot falls off, collides with the car, and then requires a
lot
large
of-
amount of multiple person induced stress. So that's fun. So pry bar, all you do is you go on the latch just here,
Yeah.
and then you like
Oh,
that.
right, okay, yeah. So do you reckon it's those actuators that are broken? Should you be doing this to actually release the boot, or is it all button actually
There's a button.
inside?
There's two latches on the roof that you
Yeah.
need to pull, and then there's a button
Yeah.
that does nothing.
It does absolutely nothing,
It
right?
does absolutely sweet
Okay. Right, so we need to
Because
hold
when
on
I
to this,
release
do we?
that, all of this will fall off. Then,
Yeah.
what you've got to do...
Got to do. Oh, is that so? That's got to come back down.
You know,
Oh.
what?
Yep. So, look at that.
I know. I'm one amazed and also upset because it's meant to be like a trial by fire.
Within 15 minutes of turning up here, somehow Matt has managed to make the roof work. The car's gone all over the place with a non-functioning roof where people have just committed to either having it up or down. And I don't know how he's done that because nothing's been changed, nothing's been rewired, removed. All that he's done is gone, haha, I'm going to try the roof button. Something all of us have tried. Every single person who's had that car has spent time trying to make the roof work. He's walked up to it, pulled the button, and the roof has operated exactly as it should. Work that one out.
So I read the manual and it said there is a little bar hidden under the seat which is missing. Pull the pull cord and then that pops that up, and then there is literally a hook that I hook into, pull it, and it undoes both the latches at once.
That's
no
nice.
bashing with a rod or anything.
I never thought of looking at the
In a manual. I know, right?
The thing is, when you get enough bad cars, you go, I can deal with this.
Exactly,
You
exactly.
you just completely wipe it from memory and go, hey, yes, this is how it's supposed to be.
Exactly.
I had it like 4 days and 3 of them was driving. I didn't have the time to properly look after it, and seeing that someone's trying to and has fixed the roof of all things is wonderful. I could have been in Paris with the roof down. I would have felt like the best man there. I could have pulled anyone. No girls are going to look at the Vauxhall Tigra and go, yes, that's the man I want to be with.
This car is like repairing itself. Even the windows are lining up again. How often have you been driving this car?
Not very.
Honestly, did you buy it to drive around in to Clacton-on-Sea?
Yes.
and then park it up and go, this is horrible, I will not be driving this anymore.
I did do that.
I was going to ask, how reliable is it?
In the last, let's say, roughly 5 or 6 months,
Yeah.
it's been to Ireland and Paris and Clapton.
Technically, it's reliable.
Technically reliable car. And the engine lights only come on once.
But the engine management light, we believe, could be down to the
Oh,
sensor
cool.
that you've changed.
Yeah, that has.
So he's taking away everything you need to recover.
Everything that
things.
you'll need.
Everything
to get
I need
home
for breakdown.
Coming with me.
Right, now we've got the roof down, let's take it for a spin. Oh, it's roomy. Tons of room.
How do you feel?
Well, I've never owned a convertible before, so this is my first one. So, I mean, I could have picked a better one, I'm sure. Let's give her a crank. Oh, can you feel the roar? Hey! It's bloody juddery. Jolty. She's not really that happy about anything, it seems. Handling is scary. Very scary indeed. It's so out. I gotta get the tracking done on this. This feels dangerous. It's got power assisted steering. It's not nice power assisted steering. There's no feel to it whatsoever. The aircon is ice cold though coming through. Let's see what this SRI has to give. She wants to go, but you wouldn't want to go in it. It doesn't really feel like it wants to drive in a straight line. It's got a little bit of pull to one side as you drive it. Nice smell coming from somewhere. It feels like the handbrake is stuck on or something. No life, no soul to this car whatsoever. I think it's going to need a bit of work. Right then, let's bring it round. You want it back? Have you ever driven a car with dead steering? That's exactly what this has got. No soul to it. I've noticed under acceleration when you start to go somewhere, it tries to kill you.
It's got torque steer despite having no torque.
I noticed the faster I went, the less control I felt of the car. What did I think?
Yeah, like
Honestly, I don't get it. I don't understand why anyone would want one. It's the most boring car I've ever driven. It's a bit of a nostalgia trip for me because I had a Corsa, an old L-Reg one, so one of the first of the bubble shapes. And I love the fact it's got the dash with the temperature sensor and all that stuff. It just feels like I'm home from when I first started driving at 17. But the aircon is lovely and ice cold. I mean, that's spectacular. Like you say, it's a fridge on wheels, basically.
It is.
That's what it is.
It's a free fridge.
So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I have no idea.
As much as I dislike it, maybe Matt will find something he likes about it, but for me, he's getting in it now. The car will leave, which means I now get to just walk away and never see the vehicle ever again.